Then you'll take the weight off the ladder.
There we go.
How's this for safety?
Hold on. That's the way it's going to be. There you go. Gorm, attaboy, Gorm. Take it with the one. Send it to the jump side. Take a long picture of you. What I have to do.
Hey, Mike.
Raise him up.
Three lines right there. They're going to come up. When we're setting the ladder up for the guy to climb up, we want to aim so he'll be standing right about here now. Not stand. We don't want him standing underneath this. We want him standing underneath the.
I feel like I'm still standing with the left.
Don't worry, you're going to be full picture now. Slide that door once more. Slide this up. Leave the bottom in there. So boy, Mike. Now it should be very easy to take the hold that hold.
Heard that snap.
Hey Brad, I thought you said you're not going to be using a knife to cut off that the lanyard.
Now we change it.
How come you guys are using a knife?
There's no knife allowed in.
Unless it was holding the handle open a bit, so it kept slipping back down. Boy, that's no more up.
Get him off that.
That's definitely needed.
It's already been 2 minutes, Mike.
There it is.
You're at 340.
You've got enough there, you can take his hand. You got it?
Now do it.
Put this on.
Just hang on. Hang on there. You're coming down.
That's why you don't want to push the bottom one too far down.
Hey, two guys have to retrieve him, alright? So as soon as he starts coming down, grab his legs, keep him erect.
Hold them together. Yeah. Up and down.
Hold this back a little bit there.
This is the funny part. Yes. That's how you. One guy wants to pull on it.